In the posterior view of the skull, which bone forms the base of the cranium? A. Occipital bone. B. Parietal bone. C. Temporal bone. D. Frontal bone. Answer: A. Occipital bone. Which structure is visible at the midline of the posterior view of the skull? A. External occipital protuberance. B. Mastoid process. C. Zygomatic arch. D. Mandibular fossa. Answer: A. External occipital protuberance. Which of the following is a feature of the occipital bone in the posterior view of the skull? A. Foramen magnum. B. External acoustic meatus. C. Temporal process. D. Mastoid notch. Answer: A. Foramen magnum. The sagittal suture is visible in the posterior view of the skull, joining which two bones? A. Parietal bones. B. Temporal bones. C. Frontal and occipital bones. D. Maxilla and zygomatic bones. Answer: A. Parietal bones. Which of the following structures is located on either side of the posterior view of the skull, between the parietal and temporal bones? A. Lambdoid suture. B. Coronal suture. C. Squamous suture. D. Sagittal suture. Answer: A. Lambdoid suture. In the posterior view of the skull, which bone is located just above the neck region? A. Occipital bone. B. Temporal bone. C. Parietal bone. D. Frontal bone. Answer: A. Occipital bone. Which of the following structures is visible just above the foramen magnum in the posterior view of the skull? A. External occipital protuberance. B. Jugular foramen. C. Mastoid process. D. Zygomatic arch. Answer: A. External occipital protuberance. The posterior view of the skull shows the superior nuchal line, which serves as an attachment point for which muscle group? A. Temporalis. B. Trapezius and sternocleidomastoid. C. Masseter. D. Suboccipital muscles. Answer: B. Trapezius and sternocleidomastoid. Which suture separates the occipital bone from the parietal bones in the posterior view? A. Sagittal suture. B. Lambdoid suture. C. Squamous suture. D. Coronal suture. Answer: B. Lambdoid suture. Which of the following bones is visible in the posterior view of the skull at the back of the head? A. Occipital bone. B. Temporal bone. C. Parietal bone. D. Sphenoid bone. Answer: A. Occipital bone.